What's it called? What's it called, Dan? All right, come on. Come on. Look. Come on, Dan. Let's go. Now you can stand out there. All right, don't go too far, though. What do you call it? What do you call this?
Ice puddles.
Ice puddles? I call it hail. You want to pick one up? Little ice? You're going to throw it. Nice Pteranodon shirt. But Dan, I think it stopped the ice, and I think it's just rain again.
It's still raining?
I think it's just rain now. Yeah, but it's raining, but it's not as much ice. It's not as much ice as it was. What did you think of that? Was that fun to see, sort of? You see the little pieces of ice on the porch there?
Yeah.
It's called hail. All right, buddy, I think it's over.
Why is it over?
Well, it doesn't, usually it only rains or snows, it doesn't hail. And when it does hail, it only hails for a little bit and then it stops. Was it fun to see though? Yeah.
Ice on the porch.
Yeah, there's a little bit of ice on the porch, but it'll melt soon.
Yeah, it's only out in the puddle.
Yeah, it is. All right, let's go back inside.
Wait a second. Here's another one.
Yeah, I know. They bounced all the way up here.
Why?
We're gonna stop now. We're getting a little cranky.
Did she like it?
She definitely was excited to put it in her mouth. I don't know how much she actually swallowed. I don't know how much she actually
Oh,
swallowed.
but wait a second. Wait a second.
Like you. Like
Who?
Mabel here.
Who is eating a peanut butter sandwich and oranges? Me?
Mama. No, me.
You?
Who?
Me.
You?
Yeah.
Maybe we could turn Mabel so she can watch Daniel eat.
Well, I think she wants to get out of her chair, but maybe I will,
She likes to watch Daniel.
yes, we'll turn her, or maybe we'll turn her like this, right?
Why they're together?
That's how you make a sandwich.
Oh. Why?
Hey, Mabel?
What, peanut butter?
Yeah.
Peanut butter
Yeah.
was the other type peanut butter. Mabel? Some Mabel? Oh.
That's a lot of sneeze.
Coffee.
Oh, here's your milk.
So.
Do you want a buckle? And then I'll push you in so that you don't fall.
That's meatballs.
We're gonna make meatballs later.